that.
I love it as well.
Solid.
All right, so since it is the day of Thanksgiving, what is your go-to drink?
All right, so it's going to be weird, all right, because it seems so basic, but there's a reason for it.
Eggnog?
Good cup of coffee.
Really?
Here's why.
With turkey?
My family, we always had a big Thanksgiving at my grandfather's house before they passed away, right? And after dinner, we would always get big, like, to-go containers of coffee, and everybody would have, like, this big after-dinner coffee. It's just a tradition. Doesn't even have to be anything real expensive. Just
the Bajjey family, they like coffee, Metro Detroit.
We are all very caffeinated.
The Bailey family, we're just going to take some sweet tea. Maybe a cup of water, too.
It just goes along with it. Our morning meteorologist, Kylie Miller, tells me I drink way too much coffee. She might be right.
You do.
Anyway, so here's what we got going on in the next weather forecast as we jump on into it. Tomorrow, it is all about that cooler air. We've been talking about it. We've been saying it for a week, that it was on its way, and here it comes. We've got the mid-30s for tomorrow. Monroe, 36 degrees. Your next 24 hours, we start off in the 20s, mid-20s for us to begin the day, but we still have some sunshine. It's not a completely cloudy day. It looks pretty nice when you factor all that together. Canton, 35 degrees for your high for the next 24 hours. Again, cool. You got the 20s there on either side. Tomorrow evening, we're in the upper 20s right away, and we drop tomorrow night. So it's a bit on that chilly side there for you. Let's go further up to the north here. Let's go to Brighton at 33 for the high tomorrow. Not very mild. The sunshine will help you feel a little better, but it is a chilly day, without a doubt. Let's go to Warren then next. 36 degrees right there for the next 24 in the afternoon. You got the sunshine to help you out, but still, those cool conditions hanging around. You have plenty of cool air all the way through here. Marine City at 34 for the high in the next 24 hours. And while that sunshine builds in, it doesn't stay all the way through the weekend. And that's what you're going to see right here. Now, you can see the cloud cover. We got the break right here on Friday. We go into Saturday. Cloud cover builds in. We go into Saturday evening, still on the cloudy side. And before I go any further on this map, I want to mention something important. You're going to see blue on this map. This is completely normal, okay? And when a map shows a lot of blue moving over a spot, it doesn't mean that it's going to be a ton of snowfall. All right, I want to make sure we mention that. But snow showers do move in Sunday morning and especially on Sunday afternoon. Now, there's something else that goes with that, though. We are still going to have some mixing with it. So where does the snowfall line up? Honestly, a lot of lake effect on the west side of the state, more lake effect up to the northwest. We get a light coating on the grass, less than an inch, okay? Why is it that little? Well, for one thing, our ground is still really warm. It melts very quickly. I would expect that we may have a chance to get up to a half an inch or so on the grass. But again, we are still several days out from this, so we've got time for things to adjust for you. So you're going to want to get some updates again from Kylie in the morning and from Karen in the morning as well, actually, by the way. She's going to be in tomorrow. But then we've got, of course, I'll be in tomorrow evening. We've got Stacy through the weekend. We've got you covered all the way through the next weather team. We're right on top of it here for you. But obviously, we've got some college football now going into the end of the week and the start of the weekend. Colder air, though, still in the 30s going through next week with a bit of a drop there going into Tuesday. Highs just down near about freezing.
All right, so definitely have your cup of coffee, everyone.
That's going to be something you'll need to warm up. Yeah.
Did you make a cup of coffee before we came out here for the broadcast?
Yeah, maybe like an hour ago.
Next
That's
Metro
fine.
Detroit.